So here we go again. Hopefully you can hear me. So over there you can see that's the Reading jail, Reading prison. There it is. There's a robber on the side there as well, you see that? So there's the thing. There he is. Robbo. Talking about 10 million quid. Whoops, daisy. Absolutely mental, isn't it? Mental. Oh, I need a drink. I need to take an antibiotic actually. I'll pull over and find a nice way out of here. Find a garage first. Well, I guess sort of that way anyway. Be a garage somewhere. There's the canal there. 44 south, keep going. Oh, my earphones coming out in the garage. I forgot I'm recording, aren't I? Yeah, I'm recording live. So I'm just leaving Reading now. This is the way out of Reading. East, west, I don't want east, I don't want west really, do I? What do I want? East more than west, right? East more than west, really? That's what it says on the tin. Well, I'm in the town, I've got to remember there's fucking speed limits. Oh, that's, I don't know what that is. Palmer Park maybe? Stadium? I don't know. Never been to Reading before. It's pretty much like everywhere else. Looks alright. Well, looks like a good food stop. Good for you guys. Look at the size of those bits of ginger. Oh, that looks good. Right, I need a garage. In the garage. Hope it doesn't piss down. But doesn't matter if I hope it or not. Liverpool Road, I doubt if that road goes to Liverpool though. Right, where am I going? I'm going to stick on the A4 I think, because I was on the M4 and it was shit. I want to go on the little country lanes obviously, but we'll see if I'm allowed to. I did start off coming here on the little country lanes and then I got a bit all over the shop. Oh, maybe I'll go to Maidenhead and go to Barnstormer. Go on then, you twat, go on. Yeah, go on, go on. It's a garage, yeah. Hey! Go on, babe, there's no one coming. Go on, you can do it. We can all do it. We can all do it. We'll all get through. Like that, isn't it lovely? M4 East. Well, I don't want the M4, I want the A4. I think this is the A4. Oh, garage. I see it. I'm going to get a coffee. And I'll stop this video till I get out to the woods. Out to the little lane somewhere nice. What is it, 50? I don't know. Woo! Hopefully, I've got a good bit of film there anyway. Oh, we've got an M&S. Oh, I can do with a sarnie. Well, I'll take my pill and get a sarnie. Look at this then. Right, where are we going to park? Over there. Near the other motorbike. Dude. Alright.